Ruto amekuwa hapa Tagaza University and he has gone further to attack the clergy. Amesema kule ya kwamba ametembea kanisani, amegundua ya kwamba makasisi hawajasoma. Amesema waanze kufunzwa na Tagaza University. Hayo ni baada ya kuhakikisha kwamba more than 11 of his UDA people have had an attack on the Catholic bishops. The targeted bishop is Archbishop Muheria. And it is important to know that Muheria did not even lead the statement. It was led by other bishops. Kumetish was one of them. He is not the chair of the bishops. But that profiling and saying that that was a tribal statement is a profiling that is in keeping with the Ruto regime. And Kenyans needs to be clear in their minds. And that's why you keep seeing us with the Mheshimiwa Stephen Kalonzo. We believe that you'll be able to put a team together that will reverse all these things within the 100 days, 200 days, 300 days, maximum a year, so that we can get Kenya back on track. Lile limebaki Kenya hii ni kuodoa Zakayo peke yake. Kufika hapa, all public universities have lost the first semester. First years did not run. All the universities are on strike. The lecturers are not being paid. More universities are about to collapse. Yani Ruto is just a disaster. Anything he touches is a disaster. Sasa amegusa ng'ombe, hiyo disaster. Ati ng'ombe ambayo sijui, what do you call kinyesi ya ng'ombe? Inaitwa nini? Ati kitoa hiyo moshi, hewa inaharibika. This guy, Mwenyezi Mungu saidia atoke. Alitoka wapi? Can you imagine atuambia zamadi ya ng'ombe sasa ndio shida ya Kenya wote, na hiyo ndio anataka kutibu. Your Excellency, Kalonzo Musyoka kuna kazi. And that's why you say akina Matiang'i, akina Natembeya wakuje tuungane, we reverse all these things in a hurry. I thank you.